I'm calling this controlled grit. This drive stack, that's what it feels like to me. It feels like there's this grit that has some control around it. It's got some bite. It's got some body to it. I'm really liking it. Guys, I'm Nathan from the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition and Worship Calling. We got ourselves a Toemaster Tuesday on a Wednesday as always, because that's when YouTube told me you make every strum count. And the drive stack that we are looking at today is the Timmy going right into the Rat, or the Enchanter into the Rodent in the Toemaster Pro. That's what we're looking at it in. But it is the Timmy into the Rat. And this is just a sweet little combo. That's both of them engaged. It's pretty bitey. It's got that grit. That Rat can get away from you real quick. But I think this thing works really well because obviously that Timmy is, there's a lot of tone shaping that's happened with that Timmy. Let me just disengage both of them. You can hear just the amp. Now, if you haven't watched my video on the Blues Jr LTD, go check that out. Be sure to subscribe so you can see it. Probably coming up in some other videos as well as we go through all these awesome drive stack combinations. You don't want to miss any of them, so be sure to subscribe. But this amp is this drive stack with this amp, I feel like is a great combination. But it does work with all the classics. It works with everything. The AC30 was awesome. The Deluxe Reverb was awesome. The JTM 45, but I kind of stumbled into this Blues Jr and fell in love with that amp so much I kind of forced myself to use it. Any of them would work really well. This drive stack would work with any of those classic amps, any combination. But I love this Blues Jr and I love this drive stack with it. It's like that Timmy. You can hear just the amp. Here's the Timmy. It's, again, I say it every time, guys. I want my gain stages to be very narrow. I don't want these huge jumps. It's just a mild little boost there. Just a mild little boost. Again, I always set my second stage with my first stage engaged. It just works. It works for me. So once I get that first stage set up, dialed in where I like it, I then set up the second stage with the first stage engaged. So this is where I landed with the Rat. As you see, just another little incremental jump there in my staging. So where exactly did I land on these? For the Timmy, we've got gain at 19%. Bass is at 37. Treble is at 45. Volume is at 44. The Rat, or the Rodent, distortion is 14%. Did kick on some of that filter, 61%. And my volume's at 56. And that is the drive stack combo. It's super popular. Tons of artists have been known to use these two pedals stacked together. They get great results. I always say I'm not trying to recreate somebody else's tone. I'm not trying to recreate their secret sauce. But I do like to kind of peek over their shoulder and see what ingredients they have in their sauce. And maybe I'll use some of those ingredients in mine. And that's kind of what I'm doing with these drive stacks. I'm not trying to sound like someone. I'm just seeing what people that I think have great tone, what are they using to get their tone? What's their ingredients? Let me steal some of your ingredients and kind of play with it and have fun with it myself. This works really great with the Ambient too, even with both Stage is engaged. It's got that. I'll tell you, that rat just, it just works really, really well. Even just the rodent by itself sounds kind of cool too. It works with the ambient, works pretty much any genre you could think of. This thing would work. And yeah, I think that Timmy kind of shaping that tone, shaping that EQ up a little bit before it goes into the rat, just makes all the difference in the world. Like I said, that rat can be almost a little too harsh, and I feel like the Timmy kind of tames that. And I'm also I'm taming a little bit with that compressor pedal, like I talk about in the Blues Jr video. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. Be sure to subscribe. If you are a ToneMaster Pro user and you have access to the Fender cloud, you can download this preset. It will be in the cloud as Timmy into Rat. So go download it. I say it all the time. Swap things in, out. Make that preset work for you. Turn knobs, make it work for you. Use it as a baseline. And I also always say, you know it, make every strum count. I'll see you guys next time.